With over 120 million connections already fitted in 22 countries around the world, Wavin Tigris K1 is widely specified for large-scale industrial and commercial builds. It's a multi-layer press-fit system that has been proven and perfected for high-rise residential buildings, offices, schools and many other large-scale projects. It's also suitable for installations where health and hygiene are particularly important, such as hospitals, health centres and food preparation facilities. So today I'm going to tell you a bit more about the Tigris K1 system and go through some of the main benefits for using it. Tigris K1 has been specially engineered to enhance performance and save you both time and money. And it meets all required UK and European technical standards. If we look at the fittings themselves first, the Tigris K1 system is available in sizes from 16 to 75 millimeters. It has a patented hexagonal nose which reduces the required push-in force and will hold 2 meters of pipe unpressed, so you don't have to hold the pipe in position. As we can see here, installing the Tigris K1 system is quick and easy too. Simply cut the pipe to length, use the special deburring tool to smooth out any rough edges and chamfer the inside of the pipe. Slide the fitting into place, letting the unique hexagonal ring guide you and make the process effortless. You can visually check the pipe has been inserted correctly when you can see it through the specially designed window in the fitting. Now, use the mini pressing tool for fittings between 16 and 40 millimeters or the larger pressing tool for all fittings up to 75 millimeters. Allow the pressing tool to complete its cycle and you're done. A secure, watertight connection in no time. You see whether the fitting is pressed or not with our unique ribbed markings. And of course, the defined leak window will also reveal any uncompressed connections during a pressure test. Okay, let's move on to the Tigris K1 pipe itself now. The Tigris K1 pipe unites the benefits of metal and plastic into one composite solution. It combines an inner plastic layer of PEXc, an outer plastic layer of HDPE, and a butt-welded aluminium layer in between. The aluminium layer in the pipe reduces thermal expansion with performance comparable to copper. It acts as an oxygen diffusion barrier, preventing corrosion and any biofilm buildup. At the pipe centre, there's a PEXc inner layer which helps to keep dimensional stability without losing flexibility. This reduces the number of fittings required and therefore saves time and money during a project. Because it's been butt welded, it retains its shape and has uniform strength, so any stresses are equally spread around the circumference to avoid the risk of joint leakage. Whereas if it had been overlapped like in a traditional welding style, there would be limited fusion and increased wall thickness. Tigris K1 can be used for both new builds and refurbishment projects due to its compatibility with both copper and Wavin's HEP2O push-fit plumbing system. Simply select the correct size from our specially designed adapters and you can move easily from one system to another. Whatever size your project is, with our lifetime assessment tool, you can be sure that the specifications will be perfect for the job. Contact our technical services team with all the relevant information for your project and they'll do the rest. And that's it, everything you need to know about Wavin's Tigris K1 press fit system. You'd be hard pressed to improve on it. Until next time, thanks for joining us and goodbye.